Here we have a job that's been booked. We're looking at the schedule board. So this job is booked, okay, and scheduled. Now it's scheduled for the this user or this group of users called Harry. And Harry is remote on his cell phone, so he would see a list of jobs or tasks for him to do. Let's log in now. Harry would have a mobile device with him. He would log in his mobile device, and this mobile device would auto sync into his system. So let's click the auto sync. We'll leave it alone. Okay, and then he will see a job. This is the job he's going to. Now he can click the job on his cell phone or mobile device, and it says that he's booked for this. It's scheduled. Now, if he's on his way to the job, he can come in here and say it's in progress or it's traveling, and you can change the status here, and the status gets changed to the job. So let's now let it save. Sure. And let's minimize this now. Okay, let's wait a few seconds and we'll refresh. Give it a few seconds. Let's refresh the this job. You should see the color change. This is I'm only refreshing it to make it go faster. It will automatically auto sync. So let's see. And now if you come back to the schedule board, here's the user Ari. Now you see it change color. Now it tells you if you go look at the status of the job, it tells you that he's traveling to the job. You see the booking status right there. So now let's go and change the status again. Let's log into the device. And now let's make this bigger. We'll go to this job again. I will say it's traveling. The job is in progress. And let's save this transaction. It will auto save after a few seconds. This is clicking it to make it a bit faster. Let's go now, minimize this and go to let's refresh this to make it refresh the job. Okay. Okay. Now you can see it change color again. Those are colors I selected based on what we need, but we can change it to different colors that's more suitable for you. So if you look at the status of this job now, oops, yeah, I didn't want to go into the job. Okay, so this job is telling you it's in progress now. Okay, so it's set from the mobile device. We could change, go to all the different steps from the mobile device and into the the job board. So now so those are let's go back into the job board and then we can go on. It's in progress. We can go on and select the next step as the complete and on break on scheduled. As you can see, it's all set up. It's all done to the system already. So we've already synchronized those two and have them working together. We also did, let me get out of the screen now, is let's close, let's go back to for the, what we did, we also set up some agreements, agreement schedule. This is what we're going to use for the contract. So we have a quarterly, a monthly, different type of booking. So we can set, sorry, all your booking, all your booking dates are set up for this Harry to go to this site on this date. This is automatically it's done once you set up based on the configuration we set up. Okay. And then we can have what else do we set up here? So we give you an idea. So the booking is set up, the host is scheduled, and we also let me change this by date. Sorry. So we see each month there's Harry will go to this site based on agreement, and then what we also based on the agreement is that let's take a look at the agreement. Uh, it's for 730 days, so 2 years. And then we told it that it is, let's go into the time slot, that the agreement can, you can start scheduling 5 days out to do a hard schedule. So we can, this is that's flexible based on what you need, what you want to, how you want to use the agreement for. So let's get out of here. Now the other thing I want to show you is, now this link, this will go into your website. It will create a form, and then it'll ask. This is for someone who's asking for service. This would be a new lead for someone who's asking for a quote. So this link, they'll come in here and ask for a quotation, put username and information they need, if it's a company or person, and then they'll put a note for the quote and they'll submit it, and then this will put this piece of data inside the they have the dynamics open up inside the let me open up sales inside the lead. So so this is a person who logged in and then says a new lead. So this would be a lead. It will generate a lead right into the CRM for you. And then the next step that we're working on, that we haven't finalized, clean up yet, is this portal where users will be able to see and view and access their job, their work orders right in here. Because this is the portal we are working on trying to clean up for you before we show you all the information. The next stuff, all the other stuff has been set up. We had a bug in it. Was the not a bug, but we have to reset it. Was the auto messaging for when a contract is about to expire. So that's we'll have that set up for you hopefully sometime next week. Okay, and so those are the main component that we work on. We had some other components we worked on, but I don't think they're as important. Those are out of the box. Okay, thank you.